Hello, welcome to the reading component of the reading and writing workshop. Most of the children are brand new to reading, and the aim is that we will use this presentation to help you understand what we're hoping that they will achieve this year. We'll go through all of the stages that will enable us and you to help your child learn to read. This is the level that we expect all children to reach by the time they leave us in foundation stage, ready for year 1. A lot of reading support happens at home. Make sure that you're reading good quality storybooks with beautiful illustrations as frequently as possible. Alongside school reading books, this will give your children an early love of reading. If possible, spend some time really looking at and talking about the book. There might be words that are difficult for your child. Take some time to explain them in the context of the story. Typically, in preschool or nursery, children will have lots of opportunities to play with sounds, making sure that they can listen to the different sounds in words and also sounds that happen in the environment. There are lots of games that you can play at home to help your child with this. Rhyme is a really important way to help your child learn to read. Luckily, there are plenty of rhyming stories available. But also have some time maybe making up some funny rhymes on the way to and from school. Lots of short bursts like this can really help your child to get to grips with this skill. It's important when making letter sounds that we keep them crisp and short. So, t, p, b, s is better than t, m, etc. Make sure to keep them short and crisp. Phonics is not taught in the order of the English alphabet. We introduce a few letters at a time that we can use to make short words called consonant, vowel, consonant words. This means that children can begin reading straight away, even if they don't know all of the sounds that the alphabet makes. This is the order of the first group of letter sounds that we teach at school. We will repeat phase 2 several times for any children who really need to get to grips with these initial sounds. You'll notice the tricky words at the bottom can't use phonics to help make that word. When reading, we would like the children to be able to talk about what's happened in the book, as well as be able to sound out and say the words. Make sure that you keep some time aside to talk about the illustrations and the things that have happened. If possible, ask your child to predict what they think might happen and see if they get it right. Your child will be sent home a book according to the level of reading that they are ready for. Mostly the words in these books will be regular words that they can decode using the phonics sounds that they've been taught so far. Sometimes the words might not be decodable. Those are called irregular words. They need to learn how to read those by sight, just looking at the word. This slide shows you all the ways that your help can impact on your child reaching their early learning goal. Mostly, we want you to all enjoy sitting and reading together. Make sure you leave enough time to talk about the book. This is what children will often really enjoy. And make sure you're reading them books that they enjoy too. Here are some other sources of support, but please, if you have any more questions, make sure you contact one of us here at Highwood and we'll do our best to point you in the right direction.